9.3. Find the first one. Find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, etc. So first one, GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, etc. That is the GP. We have to find the 20th term. What is the formula for nth term of a geometric progression? Nth term, an equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. This is the formula for nth term of the GP. Here, what is first term? First term 5 by 2. Here, a equal to first term 5 by 2 and common ratio r equal to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Second term divided by first term. 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. First term is 5 by 2. So what is the question is find the 20th and nth terms. So first we can find 20th term. So a20 equal to a into 5 by 2 into a into r raised to n minus 1. R. Common ratio 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. 20 minus 1. That is 19. 20 minus 1. That is 19. So 5 by 2 into. So we can write 5 into. This we can write as 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 19. That is equal to 5 by 2, 5 into. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 19. That is a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. So 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 19, 20. So 5 into 1 by 2 raised to 20. That is equal to 5 by 1 raised to 20 is 1 itself. So 5 divided by 5 into 1 raised to 20, 1 itself. 2 raised to 20, 5 by 2 raised to 20. So answer is 5 by 2 raised to 20. That is the 20th term. Now we want to find the nth term. So a first term. Now we can find the nth term. an. an equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. So for nth term formula. Nth term of the GP. a into r raised to n minus 1. a equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into common ratio r equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. That is equal to. So that is 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. That is, so 5 by 2 we can write 5 into 1 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. A raised to m 1. 1 by 2 raised to 1 into 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus n minus 1. That is 1 by 2 raised to n. That is equal to 5 into 1 raised to n 1. 2 raised to n 2 raised to n. So we can write 5 divided by 2 raised to n. So 20th term is 5 by 2 raised to 20. 5 by 2 raised to 20. And the nth term is 5 by 2 raised to n. 5 divided by 2 raised to n. That is the answer. Now see second question. Find the Find the 12th term of the GP. We want to find A12. Find the 12th term of the GP. That means we want to find A12. Whose 8th term? We want to find A12. 8th term, that is A8 equal to 192. And common ratio common ratio R equal to 2. Ratio is given. So this much is given. A8 and R given. So we want to find 12th term. So we want to find first term and common ratio. Common ratio is given. So we want to find first term. So A8. Apply the formula for an nth term. A into R raised to n minus 1. 8 minus 1. That is 7. AR raised to 7 equal to 192. And R is given 2. So A into 2 raised to 7 equal to 192. So A equal to, therefore, A equal to 192 divided by 2 raised to 7. And here we can cancel 4. 4 means 2 square. So we can write 2 raised to 7 as We can write 192 divided by 2 raised to 7, we can write 2 raised to 5 into 2 square, that is 4. 2 square is 4. So 4 we can cancel. Here 4 4s are 16, then 32, 8 4s are 32. 4 cancel. Now again 48, that is 16 into 3. So 4 square, that is 2 raised to, again we can cancel, that is 48 by 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 2 means 4. So here 12. 12 by 2 raised to 3. Again we can cancel here. That is equal to what? That is equal to 12. 12 divided by 2 square into 2. That is 2 square 4. 3. So 3 by 2. Otherwise you divide and find out. Cancelling common factor. So we get what we got? A. First term. A is equal to 3 by 2. So we got A equal to 3 by 2. R equal to 2. So now we can find, we want to find the 12th term. So A12, find A12. So A12 equal to A R raised to 11. Nth term formula A R raised to n minus 1. That is A into R raised to 12 minus 1. That is 11. That is equal to A. What is A? First term 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into R, common ratio 2. 2 raised to 11. So A 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into R, common ratio. Common ratio is 2. So 2 raised to 11. Now we can simplify and find the answer. So here 2 raised to 11 by 2. What we get? 3 into 2 raised to 10. 3 into 2 raised to 10. Now we have to multiply and find the answer. That will be the answer. Now see third one. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GP are P, Q and S respectively. Show that Q square equal to PS. So given that 5th term means A5. A5 equal to P. And 8th term A8 equal to Q. And 11th term A11 equal to S. This is what given. We have to show that Q square equal to PS. So A5, what is A5? A5 means, so P. P is A5. A R raised to 4. Nth term formula A R raised to n minus 1. A5, so n equal to 5. So A into R raised to 5 minus 1. Apply the formula, nth term formula. An equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So in the place of n, 5. So A into R raised to 5 minus 1 equal to P. Then A8, that is A R raised to 7 equal to Q. And A R raised to 10 equal to S. 11th term, A R raised to 10. Apply the formula. Now we have to prove Q square equal to PS. So we can find the Q square. We can find both LHS and RHS and show they are equal. That is enough. Very easy one. So first find LHS, then find RHS. LHS, Q square. What is Q? AR raised to 7. So AR raised to 7 whole square. That is equal to. How we find whole square? A raised to 2 into R raised to 7 whole square. That is A square into R raised to 7. What is that? R raised to 7 whole square. That is A square into R raised to A raised to M whole raised to N. A raised to Mn. So A square into R raised to 2 into 7. 40. That is Q square. Now we can find P into S. P into S equal to P. What is P? AR raised to 4 into S. AR raised to 10 equal to. So A into A square. R raised to 4 into R raised to 10. R raised to 4 plus 10, 14. A raised to M into A raised to N. A raised to M plus N. So R raised to 4 plus 10, 14. So we got Q square and PS. Q square equal to A square into R raised to 14. And PS also equal to A square into R raised to 14. Both are equal. Therefore we can write therefore Q square equal to PS. That is what we want to prove. So we prove that Q square equal to PS. Prove that. Okay.